नमस्कार सर, आपका समय बहुत कीमती है। फिर भी इस कीमती समय से हम ज़्यादा समय न लेते हुए कुछ सवाल आपसे करना चाहेंगे। हम
स्वागत है।
चाहेंगे कि आप हमारे सवालों का जवाब देंगे।
ओके।
तो सबसे पहले, जैसा कि हमने सुना है कि आप एक शिक्षक हैं, तो यदि हम आपसे पूछें कि आप अपने को एक शिक्षक के रूप में क्यों चुने, मतलब अपने को एक शिक्षक के रूप में ही क्यों चुने, तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ऑल राइट।
और
बोलिए।
जैसा कि आप चाहें तो हमारे क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप हिंदी में दे सकते हैं, और आप इंग्लिश के टीचर हैं तो चाहे तो इंग्लिश में भी दे सकते हैं।
ओके। वेल, थैंक यू वेरी मच. Nice to meet you, first of all. I have a great regard for you. As you asked me, as a teacher, what am I? What's my duty? And what do I think as a teacher actually? This is a question. As you know that, we all know that teaching profession is a very noble profession. It's respected by all. We all see teachers in our society. Actually, we became teachers only because of our teachers. We went to school in our childhood, and the teacher taught us. We were brought up by our parents, we were taught by our teachers, and because of teachers, we are civilized person today, and we are giving contribution to the society. And we see that as a teacher we get great opportunity to give the society a great deal of thing. Actually, this profession attracted me a lot, and I thought if I want to contribute anything for the society, teaching profession is a novel profession. And if I am a teacher, I can teach the society, I can teach the family, I can teach the people of the society, and hence I think I can give a great contribution in the making of the nation, in the making of the society. And that's why this profession attracted me a lot, and I liked it. I wanted to become a teacher, and presently I am a teacher and I am teaching in a school. Yeah.
धन्यवाद। अच्छा, आप अपने घर से इतना दूर हैं सर, और आपका परिवार घर पे है, घर से इतना दूर आप समाज सेवा करने शिक्षक के रूप में यहाँ आए हैं। यदि आपसे पूछा जाए कि आप अपने घर के आसपास ही किसी विद्यालय में रहकर टीचिंग का काम करते, तो आपको कैसा महसूस होता?
Well, actually, we all the teachers love to work in nearby our houses, our village. Our working place actually should be very close to us. I agree with you. I agree with you. If I am teaching from my village or from my city, then I feel myself to be more comfortable, and I have all the facilities there. I am very cool. All right, I will be in brief because we have less time, and I would not go in greater detail. So I would like to tell you that as a teacher, I am very much comfortable if I am working in my area because all the facilities are there. I am very close to my house. So after the school is over, I can come back to my house. I can take care of my family, and family can feed me well, and family can take care of me. I can also take care of my child, my wife, my parents, and I will be mentally and by all the means I will be very much happy if I am working from my house. In comparison to the place where I am presently living, I am in Kishanganj, and I feel a bit discomfort, but I'm very much comfortable if I'm working from my house.
ओके।
Yeah.
जैसा कि आपने बताया कि आप कटिहार ज़िले से संबंध रखते हैं और किशनगंज में एक शिक्षक के रूप में हैं, तो यदि पूछे कि आपको किशनगंज और कटिहार में समानता करना हो, तुलना करना हो एक दूसरे जिलों के बारे में, आप अपना विचार देना चाहें तो क्या देंगे?
Yeah, this is a nice question, and I like to, not only me, but many of us will like to see the answer to these questions actually. Kishanganj and Katihar, these two are districts actually of our state Bihar, and each state has its own significance. Katihar has two, and so as of Kishanganj, actually this is my first working place. This is my first time here. I am in Kishanganj, and I have spent some time. And during this time period, I have realized that it's a backward state actually, educationally, economically, and socially too. The people are no more literate. They have agriculture as their profession. Students actually, school children are not very much active. Parents suffer a lot. They are not economically stronger. They have lack of finance. They have lack of money, and that is why they are unable to take care of their children. So we find in our schools, classes are actually vacant. Many of the children go to help their parents, and that is why they go to do the agricultural work. They help their parents in the domestication of the animals. They go for cutting forests. They domesticate animals. Means they are always standing behind their parents to help them. And if we compare Katihar to Kishanganj, Katihar is a bit advanced. Katihar is a bit advanced. The people are a bit active there. The financial condition of the guardian are good enough there. Although I won't say that it's the best, but in comparison to Kishanganj, they are better. And students come to school. Parents are economically better. They are literate. They have education. They are educated people there. And can we say that it's good if we see socially? And there is one more big difference is that there is Jackson, Katihar Jackson. That's a very famous place, and that actually joins 4, 5, 6 directions. Trains go especially to the northeast through that way. There are many more differences, but yeah, I would like to conclude with a few words. Yeah.
ठीक है, ओके। आप बता रहे हैं कि आप कटिहार शहर से संबंध रखते हैं, तो आप के शिक्षक के रूप में काफ़ी समय से समाज सेवा कर रहे हैं। तो इसके पहले आप शहर के बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे थे, अभी यहाँ पे आप गांव के समाज के बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं। तो यदि कहा जाए कि गांव और शहर के बच्चे को पढ़ाने में क्या अंतर या समानता है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Well, as I see, if we teach in cities, parents are good enough. They have a good mentality. They have a good thought. They are very much positive for the education, and that is why they send their children to school. Actually, children come to school, they study there, and parents take care of the children. They are ready to finance their children. They are ready to help their children in a better way. There are all the facilities available to such children. They have their tuition teachers. Parents love to teach them at home also. So they hire private tutors for teaching the children. And in remote areas or in countryside, like this place, presently we are in Kishanganj. People actually are, farmers, and they do farming. They have animals, they have land, they have different household charts, and that is why they are unable to take care of their children. So big difference is that the children are regular in cities, but in remote areas like Kishanganj, children do not come to school regularly. They do not pay attention to their studies. Why? Because parents are not very much cautious. Parents are not very much literate. Parents are not taking care of their children, and they want support from their children actually, and they ask their children to go for farming, to do domestication. They actually ask for help. That is why it's a big difference, and Katyari is better, city is better. But if you teach in backward areas like Kishanganj, we find a lot of differences there.
ओके सर, एक क्वेश्चन आपसे और जानना चाहेंगे।
Yeah.
जैसा कि आप बिहार राज्य से जुड़े हुए हैं और बिहार राज्य को पिछड़ा राज्य समझा जाता है। यदि बिहार के आधुनिक निर्माण में आपकी भूमिका क्या होगी?
All right. All right, that's a nice question actually. In the making of modern Bihar, a teacher can make great contribution. Not only teachers, but all types of people in the society can contribute in the making of the modern country or modern state. So, as a teacher, if I want to contribute anything behalf of me for the making for the betterment of the state, I would like to say that first teach the whole state, make the children educated, and there should be medical facilities available there. There should be, means rules and regulations must be better. The roads must be better. All these things help in growing of anything of any state. So if we pay attention to education, to healthcare of the people, healthcare facilities, and if we pay attention to pakka sarak, and the huts must be, pakka houses, and if there is electricity facilities, then of course there will be industries, and Bihar will become a developed state. And as a teacher, what can I do? I can contribute in the field of teaching. I can teach the society, I can teach the children, I can teach the people, and hence I can give a great contribution in the making of modern Bihar. There are many good points to be said, but no more time, and that is why I would like to conclude this. If you think it's enough, so that's all I think. Yeah.
ओके, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका।
Thank you very much. All right, thank you.